What's up, guys? Today we are going to. No. What's up, guys? Today's new Animal Rivals update. They've got they got basketball and they got soccer in there. So let's go check it out. Oh yeah, guys, I got sniper by the way in my other video. I didn't get sniper. So basically, this is how it works. You can just hoop it. Oh yeah, after this, we're just gonna play for free. Let's go. Wait, what if I want to try? Where'd that go? I want to try to. Oh, I didn't know that. Dude, I did not make that. Trick shot. Oh, damn. Oh yeah, let's try soccer out too. We can just do one. Oh, we can kick it with our bodies? Oh, dude. Boom. Oh, damn. I suck doing like this. I suck. Yep. Come on. Come on. Boom. Where my... Oh, damn. Yo. Bro, how did I miss that? Anyways, I still good at soccer and this, but in real life, I'm kind of like I'm super good. I've been on the soccer team before. I've been on one. Dude, stop letting me. Let's go. Yeah. Yep. Yep. It's me. Yup. How does it move faster than me? Wait, man. Dude, this is not. It is dodging this. It's literally. Let's go. Alright, guys. That was it. Now, let's go see. Let's just go play for free. Like, a free for all. Oh, yeah, you guys can buy this, that, and that. Well, I'm gonna probably buy that. Probably. If I could. Okay, let's go buy it. Well, actually, no. Oh, I finished my quest. Oh yeah, thanks Ali VR. Thanks for Ali VR being my first subscriber. Thanks. Thank you, Ali VR. Thanks for being my first subscriber and liker. I'm gonna probably she's probably gonna be on a video. She's gonna be on a video probably. But I don't know when. And we're gonna be doing duos or 1v1s. Okay. So lucky. Not
Wait,
much
you're a
one-shots.
Titan? You're a Titan?
Hold up.
Wait, I'm an XP.
You're an XP glitcher, I guess. You're what?
Yeah,
Match
bro.
starting.
What?
Are you XP for me?
Alright.
Round starting.
Okay. Oh, first match? Oh. Okay, guys. This is our first match, but we're still gonna win. No matter what, we're gonna win. I'm gonna win for you guys. I'm gonna win for this. I'm gonna win for you guys.
Round starting.
Let me try and get 30.
Good hit. Crazy.
Oh man, dude. Let me actually lock in. Now I'm gonna win this whole round for you guys. Now watch me cook.
Round starting.
Oh wait, I got the sniper off.
Remember.
I got the sniper off camera just today. I got the first today. I just got it today. I'm already become pro.
Round starting.
And you know I have to get 30 with it. You already know I have to get 30.
Dang, bro, you're cooking.
Yup. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. Of course I have to.
Round starting.
Of course I have to get straight.
Bro, stop using snipers, please, bro.
What do you want me to use? Nothing? I want to use sniper. I just like sniper so much. I just got it today.
Round starting.
Bro, please stop using snipers.
Oh my god, holy lag. She lagged so bad. Boom. Wait guys, let me get sturdy with it. Guys, let's get sturdy with it. If I don't
Round
hit no
starting.
trick shot, oh, never mind. Well guys, I won that match. Thanks, Ali VR. Her name in VR is called Ali VR. Thanks for being my first subscriber. Probably I'm gonna add her. She just need to check the messages. And we're probably gonna film a video. She's gonna be the one thinking about it. Yeah, she's gonna be the one. Yeah, guys, you guys know you can use Code Grit. Code Grit, but I already redeemed it. I think there's nothing in life is free. There's one like that, but it doesn't work for me. I spelled it right. I know my spelling, duh. Yeah. Hey, you want to say hello to the video? Say hello to the video.
Match starting.
Say hello to the video. Say hello to my new friend too.
Round starting.
Dude, where is you? So, got sturdy with it though. Damn. Yeah, I missed that. If you guys are better than me, and Sniper, give me some tips down in the comments.
Round starting.
And I'll read them all. Just give me some tips. The only one tip I know is just aim your barrel and then look at the sniper. Aim and then you'll see. And then
Round starting.
Oh, wait, what if I just guessed me? Hold up. Are you using sniper? Alright, we're doing a free for all. And all of the weapons I'm gonna use is only sniper. Exactly.
Round starting.
Just sniper. Ooh, imagine hitting that. Boom. Alright, for these last 2 rounds, I'm going to hit only trick shots.
Round starting.
Hey, let me hit that. Oh, I did from behind.
What?
Oh, this is gonna be a 20-minute video. And no more after, like my other video.
Round starting.
Bro, my other video, I have this one video, is 40 minutes. I know you guys can wait that long. Cause, almost forgot. Okay, GG's. Okay. What will happen if I go on the public server? Public server. It's already expired? Oh yeah, I think there's an update in Rivals.
Tried to give me my controller back.
Yeah, there's an update in Rivals. Well, I'm gonna try to get
No,
this.
guys. Back room, guys. Y'all know how to get coins?
Yeah. Use code GRIT.
Ew. Okay, somebody tell my friend to give me my
God,
controller back.
Why is you
But
so?
he keeps like stealing it from me.
Well, we can help. See, bro.
Okay, give it back.
Bro, that thing was. Bro, there was.
Germany, wa?
Huh? Come on, let's have a sniper battle.
Brazil?
You wanna have a sniper battle? Come on then, what's up?
Sure.
What's up then? What's up then? Let's fight. Let's fight.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's fight. I'm the best at sniper. I'm
Match
the
starting.
best as a best. Best never loses.
Round starting.
Dude, bro even.
I did this 369, yeah. You know that, right?
Alright, wait, only trick shot only. Trick shot only.
Round starting.
So what you did? Kaboom! Oh. Damn. I'm. Yup. 3.
1% left. No.
Wait, what? How we both died. How? No, they didn't want to use my katana.
Round starting.
Huh?
No.
Yes! I'm never losing. 16 minutes already. 16?
Round starting.
Damn, we gotta make this match quick.
360. Yes!
Dude, you're not doing no
Flip on him.
you're not doing no 360. You're not doing no 360.
Round starting.
Where are you, dude? Dude, can you?
I hit my shots, bro.
Dude, you stop hiding, Skelly. Stop hiding.
Round starting.
360.
I ain't sp-
Oh my gosh! Get cooked! Get cooked, bro. Yeah, you wanna go? You wanna go now? You wanna go now?
Short stack. Alright, guys, we're gonna do one more match. We're gonna do one more match. And then our video's over.
Alright, guys, what weapon should I buy? Listen. Yeah, let me do one match. Not that. Okay.
This is going to be super quick. This is super quick.
Match starting.
This is gonna go super quick. Oh, he plays Animal Rivals. I'm at Animal Company. Me too.
Round starting.
Guys, let me know down in the comments what you play. Just let me know it down in the comments what to play. Let me know down in the comments. Any game except for the ones you have to pay, or maybe some.
Round starting.
3. Psych!
What? How do you hit snipes? How do you hit 200?
I'm using sniper. Yes, I'm using sniper.
Round starting.
I know. Animal Rivals?
I'm playing. I can literally play any game.
Round starting.
Oh, yeah, actually, next video is gonna be
Oh my gosh!
about me
How do
playing.
you hit those shots?
Probably in my next video will be about Scurry Baboon
Round starting.
or whatever you guys say.
Oh, here.
Yo guys, I'm gonna pretend that I'm bad for a second.
Round
No, for
starting.
at least like. Bro, how did I do that, bro? That was literally by accident. GG's. Ha, you win. Alright, guys. That accidentally headshot.
You know what's crazy when your
shotgun was
legs
not
crack by bending them.
on purpose. That was an accident. Alright guys, that's all we have today, and thanks for being. Thank you, AbdiVR. I'm gonna add you on one of my videos. Probably my next video. Yeah. My next video. So yeah. Thank you guys for this video.
Yo,
And
what's
everything.
2v2?
Thank you guys.
Go,
Bye.
guys.